it seems like my intranet idea is not penetrating the skulls of people, which is fine. So I am thinking to make it better. So you've seen these things. However, I still think it feels Excel-y. Yeah, like Excel style. So I decided to go full out crazy. And today is the day when the Smiling Troll Distillery has been incorporated, obviously limited. And just to show you, yeah, there is a mess that there are no files created yet. And local host, what am I looking for? Random. I've created a script that randomizes products and companies. So I'm gonna go full out crazy here, and product code generation, and what do we have? Company name, Maes Inc. Persistent attitude oriented product. Great, what can go wrong? Matson Manus lead engine heaven. Cheyenne Felds position photo engraver. Great, I'm sure that's got everything to do with the catchphrase. And there's a phone number where I can get Cheyenne and talk to her, because everyone wants to get pissed on their Smiling Troll Distillery Beverages Limited. So I'm gonna get to my code, and I wanna get 1,200 products and 2,500 customers. Before I press the button on that, yeah, okay, let's press the button and worry about things later. Refresh, go. Okay, it's still going, and it finished. Now I should have 1,200 products and about 2,500 customers. So let's try that. Products. It's a CSV file. And yes, I'm gonna be creating an intranet for this, so you'll see lots of data for yeah, this not fully functional, and you'll have lots of data that normally would be a pain in the butt to deal with. So as you can see, I got plenty of products, 1,201, which makes perfect sense. And there's always gonna be one of each. And the funny part, I should have also 2,500 customers, and they will be dropped to Excel. Both of these will be acting as a sheet, and yeah, there'll be more. I'll probably introduce a little bomb for each of the products, so there'll be like a label, glass, I don't know, and beverage, and orders. I'll also generate orders for each customer. I'll try to create 30 to 50 orders, so I'll have 100,000 roughly orders. So we'll see how that performs, and make the demonstration intranet a bit more interesting, with actually more data rather than some random 5 products that no one cares about. Not that anyone cares about any of this, but yeah, law enforcement teacher. Okay, cool. Liam Maggio. And what does he do? Decentralized mobile algorithm. Great. Britt Mason. Yes. Aircraft cargo handling supervisor. Lourdes Glenn. Very strong name. Decentralized incremental definition. Oh yeah, that all makes perfect sense. But yeah, doesn't matter. There are company names, and before the time comes, I will generate everything for kids, and then try to write a little interface for it, and then maybe it'll be much clearer why I'm doing this, and then I'll convert the Excel to SQLite to begin with, and people can see how that works better, because more data, more interface, better, right? Hopefully. And yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick update on the Smiling Troll Distillery Limited, incorporated today. Yes. Good night.